Hi friends, welcome to Smarter Card All-in-One and I'm Saraman. Today I'm going to tell you about an Paytm new UPI biggest loot offer friends, where you can earn up to rupees 10,000 rupees friends. And even I'll be telling about Paytm KYC and small updates from Phonepe friends. And these are the updates, KYC and offers I'll be telling in this video friends. So don't miss this video friends, and subscribe to our channel SR All-in-One and click on bell button friends. When I upload any videos in our channel, you'll be getting an notification friends. I'll be going from Phonepe friends. In Phonepe 100% cashback it was there friends for 5 prepaid mobile recharge friends. I think for a few members they should do 10 prepaid recharge, and for few members they have got 3 prepaid recharge, and for few they did not get anything friends. In this offer friends, in the terms and condition they had not added 1 point friends, where they have told 5 transaction friends for last 3 for this offer friends, whereas for 5 prepaid recharge they told for me that for last 3 months they should not be more than 3 friends. For 2 or 3 it might be friends. And whereas another account of my Phonepe friends I'll be showing in this video. If I go to all offers friends, even I'll be opening my research sections here. In this they are told to make for me 10 prepaid recharge friends, whereas they told me that for last 3 months friends they should not be more than 5 or 6 transactions friends. But in this friends, what they have done mistake means I'll be showing here. See friends, first I have shown this banner friends 100% cashback up to 50 friends. See, if I go to my transaction friends, I have made 5 things friends, 1 2 3 4 5 friends, but I did not get any cashback friends. See friends, when I'll be doing my friends, see here, you can observe now here. If I go to research section, see friends, I'll enter amount here 50 rupees, see friends, and if I click only UPI, now you can observe, see friends, best offer up at 50 rupees. Here the terms and condition are, you should make 5 prepaid recharges. In 6th you are getting cashback friends. This was the update friends from Phonepe, where they did not mention friends. When I have called it to customer care friend, they told me that if you wait for 48 hours you'll be getting friends. But I have waited for 48 hours but I did not get any cashback friends. So just I was doing a trial thing friends, just I have got it now, see friends. So I'm giving an update, see friends, now to you. I have done recharge, see friends. Now you can observe here I have got 50 rupees cashback, see friends. This was the offer from Phonepe friends. If you are facing any problem friends, it has been solved, see friends. If you are facing friends, then you can surely comment me friends, or even you can come to personally in WhatsApp. I'll be helping out, see friends. Now friends, about Paytm KYC friends. You know all now friends, more than 3 to 4 months there was a issue of Paytm KYC friends. For few of them there was not done any KYC, even they're facing many problems, so they were getting in gold back friends, any cashback. Now they have started once again, see friends, Paytm, but the procedure is very different friends. Whereas we should go same friends, similar procedure but little different friends. Normally we are going to Paytm merchant and we are verifying our KYC. But then friends, they were not asking us to open Paytm payment bank or no. Just they were entering yes and they were proceeding friends. But according to terms and conditions friends, they should ask to customer that do you want Paytm payment bank or no. But they were not asking, just they were proceeding yes, and we were opening Paytm payment bank friends. This was the fraud was happening from the Paytm merchant friends, and without knowing only they were making an KYC account friends. So Paytm have found out this, and so they have updated a new KYC method, friends. For anyone friends here, first now there is no need to verifying of any KYC friends. Now we should have any driving license or voter ID, passport or any job card friends. Like this, if you have any of these friends, by going near Paytm merchant, and they'll be asking you, and you should provide any one friends, any one document, and they'll be verifying with you friends what is your name and what is your father name and etc friends. And even they'll be asking you, do you want any Paytm payment bank or no. If you want, you can click on yes, and you'll be receiving any cashbacks in your Paytm friends. If not, the wallet will be activated friends. If you want, even Paytm bank should be activated, even you can provide them friends. See friends, in your second point you can observe here, click here friends. If you click friends, they'll be asking state friends. See friends, where I'll be living in Karnataka friends, just I'll be entering Karnataka, and my district is Ballari friends. See friends, in our district only one Paytm merchant is there friends. See friends, as many members were there friends for Paytm merchant, but now no one are there, see friends. Only one person, something Manjunath friends. He is the person where for our district he will be doing friends, where nearby of villages, even they should come with him only friends. And you can observe here they have given his all details friends, even from when he will be start and what are the timings friends. 5 to 7 he will be available only for Paytm merchant account friends. He'll be spending that time for Paytm merchant friends. This was the small update from, sorry, this was the biggest update friends, because the KYC was the biggest problem for us friends. Even I'll be going, even if you have any KYC issues or any KYC done account friends, you can go and can make KYC in your center friends. And this link will be given in description friends. You can read from top to bottom of what are the terms and conditions of this Paytm KYC friends. With the help of that, even you can find out what nearby location where you are having, and even you can go near them and you can do it your KYC account friends. And lastly friends, Paytm UPI offer friends. If you go to cashback section friends, in new offer you'll be showing this offer friends, rupees 40 on 10 transaction of UPI friends. Where this offer is, why I have told this loot offer, because friends, in this offer you can earn up to 10,000 rupees friends. This offer is valid till 31st December friends. From the date today, if you count friends, then you will be getting this only friends, 10,000 rupees. But daily, if you without miss, you should do it friends, because you will be getting 40 rupees cashback friends. You just, if you send 250 rupees to any Paytm user or any Phonepe user also friends. Yeah friends, even you can send for UPI also friends, any UPI like YBL, FREECHARGE or any Birla, Beam, anything friends. If you make 2 rupees of transfer friends, then you are getting to 40 rupees friends after making 10 UPI transaction friends. Whereas this offer is valid till 31st December and minimum should be 2 rupees friends. I hope this offer should be till 31st December friends, because like this offers will never keep Paytm friends, because everyone will looting friends. Even you people will not be simple friends, you will be looting friends. So I hope that Paytm should keep this offer and we all should be looting this offer friends. That's it friends. If you like this video, please give me a like button and subscribe to our channel SR All in One. Click on bell button to get like this latest updates, and when I'll be uploading any videos to in our channel SR All in One, will be getting firstly friends. If you have any doubts on this video friends, can surely comment me friends, or even you can come on WhatsApp. I'll be helping you out friends. Thank you friends, and Jai Hind, and loot the offers.